interest and oil prices are going to continue to rise, putting pressure on liquidity and cash management, and trade war is here to stay. Just to restate some of my takeaways from the different people we heard today, I think what I heard Xavier say in summary was global growth and trade, which are critical for prosperity and stability, are currently being threatened by evolving risk across multiple aspects, and not all of them related, but they're going to impact us. I heard Hyben say, in the absence of significant investment and effective, I think the word here is effective, fiscal support, 2019 is going to be tough for China. Which was then countered by Alicia, who said the conflict between the need to deleverage and reduce the balance sheet risk is going to be very tough, given the fiscal stimuli that is going to be present in that market, and the dependency on exports and the pressure on exports that we're most likely to see. Billy, I think you said that in summary so far the moderate impact on Hong Kong could take a significant turn for the worse if we continue to see what we think is going to happen, which is a supply chain multiplier impact that is going to deteriorate further the already deteriorating confidence of the investing and the business community here. And then I think, Carlos, moving on from China, I think what you said was over half of Asia is at significant risk of outflows, again creating uncertainty over a greater set of countries than just China. I would like to put a disclaimer in here is we did not give a negative message to all the speakers to relate you. That's it might have been in our interest, but we did not do so. So just coming to us, how do I change what page? Yeah, here. Okay. So just this page is really about the fact that we are seeing a trend that is starting to creep in. It's impacting delays in payment. I think Carlos went into greater detail. We're saying that there is pressure in the market, right? Our surveys and our research teams cover over 9 countries, and across the board we're seeing a deterioration. So things, guys, are not going to go away. They're going to have to be managed. But at the same time, we heard some positive messages. I think David had said companies on the whole are resilient. We've seen that for many of us who've been through multiple down cycles. Things change. People manage to emerge. Not everybody dies. And so, guys, we continue to do trade and business in this environment. We just need to figure it out. So we need to make the right decisions. We need to sift through the multitude of factors and companies to come up with the segments and the sectors and the companies that we're willing to continue to take risk on. So I think overall one has to take into account that there's an underpinning positive aspect of the region that we are in, and I think again Alicia said that, right? We've got strong demand pull here. We've got economies that have a lot of growth that is still happening out here. And so at the end of the day, when we get through these issues, we should be able to come out successful and have a reasonable amount of growth on our books. So where does Coface come in, right? I think that's kind of my commercial pitch now, is and I think Xavier already said that, we have the largest footprint across the world. We have 1,000 people who every single day wake up and look at the kind of factors we talked about. We are not just an insurance company. We do not insure bad risk, right? Like it's pretty much like a car insurance company. We're not going to insure bad drivers. We act proactively as your partners to help you understand the risks that we are going to collectively take, help you manage that, put in place regular monitoring exercises, leveraging our global reach to try and help you with in our partnership deliver the right results for your own shareholders. So we are a risk management partner at the end of the day that proactively helps navigate the complexities of understanding and managing buyer payment risk, especially in uncertain and volatile times like now. So in summary at the end, I think, I mentioned the 1,000 professionals. Our regular process, you see some booklets in front of you which tell you what we do on a regular basis. Our immense database is actually, a huge resource that we can leverage for your benefit. And we can proactively, ahead of time, manage your sales, help you manage your sales strategy by, giving you inputs on people that you're selling to. So in conclusion, we are here to be your risk management partners. We thank our clients in this room for being loyal partners for us for many years, and we look forward to doing business with many more of you. Thank you for being here, and we look forward to seeing you again next year.